Okay, good evening mga engineers. Meron po ako tanong regarding sa number 14 sa algebraic. If sakto ba to pag-solve ko? Na-notice kasi na iba yung iba. Wow. Nice choice of words. Pero moving on, uh, we have given here 2t square root of t plus 1 over t squared. Yung alam ko, hindi naman tayo makatranspose ng square root of t plus 1 over square root of t kasi meron middle term na plus. So, yung method ko dito is itatranspose natin yung square root of t dito sa igbaw and then atin i-change yung mga square root into 1/2. Ignore that if you can hear that. So, ganito. T 2t raised 2t square square root na 1/2 plus t raised to negative 1/2 kasi tinatranspose natin sa numerator maging negative yung square root. After ganun, recall na yung regular t naman, ito na t, has an invisible 1 which equates to 2 over 2 in square roots or halves in halves. So, 2t raised to 2 over 2, which is just 1, and then times 1/2. What do we do if exponent? We just do it plus na lang, and then 3 halves na, maging 3 halves na to. And then ito, same lang. And then need pa natin i-differentiate, di ba? So, pag differentiate nito, wait lang. Maging negative na yun. Which just equates to 3 square root of t plus but minus 1 to t 3 halves. Ganito ba yung answer niyo mga near future engineers? Ganito ba? Thank you.